What's the meaning of chiseller? Chiseller. Chiseller.
Chiseller. Chiseller. Chiseller is a term used to describe someone who engages in deceitful or dishonest behavior for personal gain. The word originated from the woodworking tool chisel, which is used to shape and carve wood. Just as a chisel can be used to carefully craft something, it can also be used to cheat or swindle. Therefore, a chiseller is someone who uses deceitful tactics to swindle money or goods from others. This term is commonly used in the context of business or financial dealings, where individuals may use underhanded methods to gain an advantage.